fucking way. I got all the whitey shells in my bun. We're on the goose poopy rider, which means there's some gooses pooping in here, which means we're on the X under a flyway as well. And we got the good hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, goose feather, somewhere right in here. Right there. Setting the old silos today. I don't know what he's saying over there. He does nothing but talk shit about me. I don't do anything right ever. Oh! I think we're about to do it. We're about to do it and stuff. I'm gonna set up a little bit looser than I really want to, but it's all right. Okay, it's this one. Boom! Oh shit! I fell. He's a good girl. Stay. Push up. Oh, give me a hug. Oh, come on. Oh, boy. Ready to work? Yeah. Hey, Kendall. Good girly. Good girly. That little nose. Okay, everyone's ready but me. What is new? Load up the old 12 banger. I like it. Did not think that highway would be that loud this far away, but hopefully. Oh baby, we got our flag today. Welcome back to another video. We are out here in Manitoba, day 3. So if you haven't watched the other videos, y'all go ahead and check those out. They're pretty good. Day 3 out here. We are in another tilled up wheat field with some green growing up in it. That's what the geese are eating, we believe. We've got these geese coming from town. We're under a really good flight line of traffic. There's a bunch of them feeding in another field, so I'm sure we'll lose some geese, but we did see yesterday that they would hit this field on their way back to roost. So hopefully we get them twice. We'll see. We've got 5 dozen silhouettes out there, spread out, looking really good. Got them about 50 yards wide, 25 yards from us, or I guess deep. I guess, yeah, that would be wide. Length, 25 yards length, 15 yards from the blinds. Blinds look good. Cut grass this morning. Fella's excited. Ryder looking real good.
I'm here.
Then we got Whitey over there waiting on geese. Thumbs up from Ryder. Let's go. I'm tired of talking. Got the calls. Y'all be sure to go to ducksbucks.com. These calls are almost sold out. My duck calls and my goose calls. So y'all be sure to get one. Let's get to hunting.
4-pack front, real low off the boot bag.
Got some sailing in here. Out front, 4-pack. More than 4. Take them white. Take them white.
Nice shot, Cole. Nice.
Nice.
That was sexy. That was really sexy. I can't believe I missed my first shot.
Wow. I shot the goose, you missed.
Did you?
Yeah. Gosh, that was nasty.
That one's running.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go get that.
you want that
take
one?
care of this.
Holy, I'm pretty sure I just shot my limit in one flock. Oh, no. Yes, dude. Bella, touch it up.
That was amazing.
Over. Good girl. Here. Here. Heel. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Bella. That was awesome. Good girl. Fetch it up. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Fetch it up. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Sit. Bella. Good girl. Come on. Here. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Goodness gracious. Right here. Fetch it up.
Did you kill 4?
I killed 5.
You killed 5?
Yeah. Fetch it up. Bella. Bella, Bella. Hey. Fetch it up. Here.
I feel like a loser.
Here. Here. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
You killed 5.
Good girl. Here. Here. Good girl. Oh. Yeah. Holy moly. Let's see if she'll get this other one. Nope. Good girl. Hey. Here. Heel. Sit. Sit. Mark. Good girl. Good girl. Here.
That's the banded one, you know that, right?
I hope so. That's a big boy. Good girl. Here. 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 Heel. Heel. Good girlie. We rained them out for you.
You got one
Ryder.
more. Let's go. There's one more right there in the hole.
There is?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Okay.
Well, I'm a deadbeat. I only killed 2 geese. Dude, that was good. H.
Oh, there is one more in the hole. Come here.
See in front left there, right where they're landing.
Here, heel, sit. Good girl.
Quit.
Sit, sit.
Goose.
Bella. Hey, back. Good girl. Awesome,
there you go.
dude. Awesome. Here, here. Heel. Good girly. Good girl. Hey, gimme. You just need to warm up a little bit. You were sitting there. Kennel. Good girly, Kennel. Good girl. Heck yeah. Good job. I told you, man. I'm telling you. Whitey says, they ain't coming. They ain't coming. Right, Ryder. He says, this is the worst field we've gone on so far. Well, shoot your 3.
I'm not ready yet. We're gonna
Shoot your 3 bands now. Yeah, here we go.
Sit there and watch this.
If you get 2, I get 1.
Thanks, Dwayne. Thank you.
Good girl, Bella. That was awesome. You were a little freak asshole at first, but we'll put the good stuff in there. All right, kennel up, kennel, kennel. Okay, that was sick. All right.
Dude, you double it on both.
I know, I did. Get him, White.
God dang it, why'd I shoot him in the butt?
Get him, White.
God dang it, why'd I shoot him in the butt?
I don't know.
I hit him. I just shot him low.
Hey, 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 Bella. Back.
Dang it, Tyler. Wait, take your time.
Back. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Good girl. Good girl. Fetch it up.
Don't dare run on me.
Oh. There's the other one. Yeah, we're done. Good girl. Here. Here.
Get it.
Good girl.
Don't look at me.
Quit showing it off to Whitey. Good girl. Heel. Sit. Sit. Bella. We're done. We're done. Here. Here. Good girl. Fetch it up.
Come on,
Fetch
get
it up. Here. Good girl. It's just twitching a little bit, girly. Just twitching a little bit.
That one not moving anymore for you.
Sit.
Took care of that, Bella.
Sit. Bella.
Well, that was a quick hunt. Let's go home.
Back. Good girl. Dang, that was a good one. She's getting outside the spread now. That's awesome.
Yay!
Here. Here. What a hunt.
Silhouettes work.
Silhouettes are the deal. Good girl.
They
Oh,
love
she
us.
got it good too. Don't step on the wing. Good girly. Good girly. White. Oh, dang. Thank you.
Feather band.
Oh, feather band got me. I thought, oh my gosh, dude. I was like, White did it.
I already seen him.
Dang it.
I knew it wasn't.
Good girl. That was some good
cool.
retrieving.
Let's go home now.
Good girl. Little 13-month-old pup. You're almost 14 months. Yeah, I know. You know you did good.
Hey, you think we can
You
get
know
a
you
scouting
did
still,
good.
or it's too late?
Give me a high five. Hell yeah.
Look.
We'll take that.
Yeah.
A little quick pickup. A quick pickup. We hunt this again.
My trash shooting.
Go.
Right in the bone.
Quick limit. Let's get out. Good girly. Good girly. Bella, duck, dog, Bella. Dog, Bella. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Very nice. Let's go find some more. Wow. That was awesome. How long did that take? Oh, good 10 minutes, I think. From the first shot, it took 10 minutes.
Hey, we're done. We're done. Hey, good, we're done.
I hope y'all enjoyed that. I guess we're going to have to put this with another hunt, so it's not a 3.5 minute video. Good grief. We needed it. We needed it and we got it, White.
The flight path is.
Bella, come here. Hey, girl. Let me see if I can't get you on here. Well, we didn't have to wait for the back shoot. I thought we were gonna have to wait for the back shoot after they got out of the other fields.
What?
Bella is at, I don't know what the average, y'all drop a comment down below for me, please. What is the average amount of birds a dog retrieves in a season for the average duck hunter? For the average duck hunter, for the average waterfowl hunter with their brand new dog, what is the average amount of retrieves they get? Please drop a comment down below. I'm just curious. I think Bella is spoiled rotten. We hunt a lot more than the average folk. It's not a brag or nothing. It's just
You know, maybe
I don't.
more. I mean, we only hunt 6 months out of the year.
We hunt 6, 7, 8 months out of the year. I mean, now we're gonna come back up here in spring. It might even be longer than that. But what is the average? Bella has had about 150 birds retrieved so far in her first season, which I'm super stoked about. She's getting better each day. I know I make mistakes still as a dog handler, being my first gun dog. She makes mistakes being young. So it's kind of, we're both trying to get better each day. So y'all let me know. I'm not sure the plan from here, but we're definitely gonna have to put some more hunts in this video, so y'all stay on this video. Really appreciate you guys watching.
Hey.
Ryder!
Cheese.
Hey!
Hey.
What time is it?
Hey.
Hey!
Hey, time for breakfast.
7:46. Not much of a film was gonna come out of that. We had a rough one yesterday.
That'd be a good rain out video.
It's a good rain out video for 2 guys. It was pretty nice.
7?
Yeah. That's our first bigger one. I hear that tail. I hear that tail, Bella Bella. Hey, you ready to hunt? Hey, you ready? Come here. Heel. Heel. Stay. Good girlie. I got 5s on it. That's a good girl. It's a good girl. That's what a dog should look like. Yep. Get a little green on there. Oh. Okay. Ready to go. Y'all ready?
I'm ready, dog.
Y'all ready to go? Okay. They are honkers. Out front low. Out front low. Take him, White. Nice shot. Take him, White. Nice shot.
You want to shoot that one? It's moving. It wasn't bad, but why are they still trying to crawl?
I don't know why they didn't
past
sit.
us?
Wish they would have sat.
Yeah, I was hoping they'd sit too. I was waiting for them to sit. Do you want to try to like maybe push some stuff out or open the center?
Yeah, we need to.
I thought you had.
It got tight. Bella.
Where'd he go? Oh, right there.
Fetch it up.
You gonna get that live one? Nope.
Good girl. Good girl. Here. Fetch it up. Come on. Fetch it up. Good girl. Good girl. Where's the other one?
Should be 4, right?
Sit. Sit. Back. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, here. Guess what? Guess what we got?
Is there one?
No.
You're the goose.
Let's go. No freaking way. Were you filming her?
Yeah,
You could see it clear as day.
Let's go.
Hell yeah, baby. On that far cruncher, baby. Let's go. That's awesome, dude. In the air. I don't know which one was. That's sick. Good retrieve, girly. Wasn't there 4? There it is.
You get 3?
Yeah, I got 3. Good girly. You got another band, girl. Hell yeah. I saw it. I was like, no, don't be a feather. Unbelievable. Hey.
She knows.
Yeah, she knows. Kennel. Hey, Kennel. Kennel. Good girl. Oh my
Was
gosh.
it on a jub?
Yeah, on a jub.
Darn. Why weren't the rest of them good?
I wish I would have seen it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Pick the right bird.
Let's go.
Maybe some ducks. Unreal. Yep. Well, he was right. Don't wait for him to land. Just shoot. Gosh, you're a band magnet. Hey, we're going to have to kennel though. On another job.
Crazy.
Unbelievable. Out front, low. Take him, White.
Kill him.
Take him, White.
Kill him.
That was sick.
I like one for you. I was gonna.
I wasn't sure if you were gonna save one for me or not.
Better not. I landed
Bella,
for the
Bella,
guy. I shot the 2 banded ones. You shot the bald one.
I
The
hope
last
you
one was
did.
Definitely bald.
I hope you shot a banded one. I keep. I sailed the banded
The
one.
last one was definitely
Fetch it
not
up.
banded.
Fetch it up. Good girl.
That was nice.
Good girl.
I had
You
no
shot
idea
the 2
I came
big
up out
ones.
of my blind.
Here, here, here.
Hey, all the jump is man.
Good girl. Sit. Hey, Bella.
That was better.
There's your goose. Fetch it up. Fetch it up.
How are you still alive?
Fetch it up.
Straight in the face.
I would myself if it was banded. Here. Good girl. Hey, sit. Bella.
Well, that was a dirt clod, but you were pegged on something at least.
Good girl. Good girl. Here.
Balder and
Heel. Good girly.
Bald, bald,
Bald,
bald,
bald,
bald, bald, bald.
Bald, bald, bald. Unreal.
Oh, big line.
All right, what do we got? 6?
You got 3, I got 4.
You got 4, hey? This looks like an older band. Look at that bad boy. Old 1278. It is a job.
It's a job.
These bands wear pretty fast.
I bet it's from the
You
same
wanna get-
spot you're laughing on.
Yeah, I bet it is. Look at that. You like that, Raider? Yeah. Get a little B-roll action going there. Yeah, boy. Had to get a little shot of that. Good girl, Bella. You did good. Hey, kennel, 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 kennel. Good girly. Good girly. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. The sun is coming up. Honkers are about to be in the air now. We have a northeast wind ripping about 12 to 15 at our back in a cut wheat field that has some regrowth green in it, a really green field. Apparently they've been liking these a lot. We've got a flock coming right here, but hope y'all are enjoying this video so far. Day 2 in this video, day 4 here in Manitoba. Hope y'all are enjoying it. If you haven't watched the other videos, be sure to check those out, and we're about to get after them here. Back right.
I thought they were gonna do it.
Oh, I did too. Coming back. Take him if you want, White.
Shoot that one. Shoot that one right there.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Good shot. Take him if you want, White.
Shoot that one. Shoot that one right there.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Good shot.
Look at that communication. We're like a
That was awesome.
SWAT.
Bella.
I was gonna let you shoot it, but then I'm like, well, they're too far separated to get 2 clips.
Here we go.
I feel very bad about shooting the center.
Good girl. Right there. Right there. Fetch it up. Good girl.
See her look
Good
at
girl.
you like,
When Cole lets the ducks get to like 6 yards before he calls the shots, they just kind of
Good
always
girl.
separate.
Here. Come on.
Got
Good
a
girl.
Suicidal single coming from the back of Randy, I think.
Good girl. Here. Come here. Come here. Good girly. That's a good retrieve. That's a good retrieve. Where's your good girly? Where's your good girly? There's your good girl. All right, kennel. Nice shot.
nice.
Oh. Man, we had to hammer on those to get them to come back. Gosh dang it. Hope y'all enjoyed that little footage. We just called them off live geese and they got them all in the hole. We've got 2 more to shoot. Whitey's done with his limit. We're just taking turns trying to make this hunt last more than 3.5 minutes. So got 2 more to shoot, and yeah, been fun. They're acting a little weary today, but need the sun to get up so our shadow's gone from our blinds, and I think it would help a bunch. But 8 down, 2 more to go. I'm sick of calling at them. Oh gosh, that's fun. We got a band down. I forgot to show you all the spread. Just got the 5 dozen, 6 dozen silhouettes out here. About 16 yards off the boot bags of the blinds. They look really good. See our shadow though right now. I think that's what might be throwing them off. I mean, we are off the decoys, plenty of yardage, plenty of yards, but it still makes them a little weary. They're not really flaring off of us. They're just kind of skirting around the big black shadow in the field that they see. Not too natural, but that sun just needs to get up a little more. These birds up here are flying extremely early in the morning, so take the early ones, wait for the later ones, basically. And you're good. And Bella's ripping today. Bella's ripping, aren't you, girl? Yeah. Yeah, you are. Kennel. 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 Look at you hunting. You're a good hunting dog. Right here's some. Might have a single.
You got him 3 times.
A little behind on the first couple. Bella. That's it up. Good girl.
Good call.
Good girl.
You got him out
Good
of there.
girl. That's it up. Good girl. Here. Here. Why'd she do that? Here.
Probably banded.
Come here. Fetch it up. Here. Come on. Oh, it must be a big one. That was a monster, huh?
Oh, it's a mondo.
Good girl. Good girly. Here. Here. Come here. 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 Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. Don't jump in here. I know it's been a while. We've been waiting all morning. I know you want to jump in here. Come here. Come here. Not here. She's like, let me in there. Girl. Oh, oh, oh.
Look, swans! The ducks are coming.
The ducks are coming. Swans, the ducks are coming.
Everybody said
Fetch it up.
no,
Fetch it up.
no, no.
Carry that one around. Do you have a band in your mouth? Do you have a banded bird? You look good with banded birds. I gotta get a video. What do you have there? What is that? You like carrying them ones? You like carrying the banded birds? Oh yeah. Yeah. Through my legs. Come here. Bella. Here. Here. Dead. Come here. You got more bands than I did in my first year. Jerk. She's chained up, dog. She's chained up. She's chained up. Getting chained up. Big honkies. You got the big honkies. Oh, yeah. Fetch it up. Bring it here. Come on. Thank you. I appreciate you. Here. Here, Bella. Here, Bella. Here. Thank you. Good win. I hope you enjoyed this one. Got 2 limits in this video. A band. Bella got a band. Overall, just a slow morning, but we made it happen. I don't know. I don't really got much. Y'all be sure to subscribe. Check out the last videos from Manitoba. They're awesome. Go follow Duck Stuff Co. on Instagram. I really appreciate that. That's our new page. Other than that, be sure to subscribe if you're new here. If you enjoy these videos, Ryder and I are putting in a lot of work. Whitey's putting in a lot of work to get these hunts where they need to be. And we're just grinding out here. Freelancing, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta, everywhere.
Your backyard.
Your backyard. Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.